Let's say you are someone who wants to get into investment banking, consulting, asset management, private equity, basically high finance. Naturally, the first thought is US jana hai. But over the last year, something very interesting has happened. A huge number of students, especially Indian students we speak to, are now shifting towards Europe. And it makes complete sense because think about it. Why would someone spend 1 to 1.2 CR in the US dealing with visa uncertainty and spend 2 years studying when Europe is giving you top tier finance school, 1 year programs, post study work visas, and access to London, Paris, Frankfurt, Zurich, some of the biggest finance hubs in the world? And the craziest part, schools like University of Oxford, University of Cambridge, INSEAD, London Business School, HEC Paris are now becoming serious alternatives to top US finance programs. So in this video, I'll break down which finance programs are worth targeting, who each program is meant for, placements, salaries, costs, and most importantly, which one matches your profile. So let's start with Oxford. Honestly, Oxford's MSc in Financial Economics is one of the most intense finance programs in Europe. It's just 9 months long, but don't let the duration fool you. This program moves fast because imagine compressing elite finance training into less than a year. You are studying asset pricing, financial market, econometrics, corporate finance, valuation, and the students around you are insanely competitive. Oxford's average GMAT is around 747, which is honestly ridiculous. Oxford knows exactly what kind of candidates they want. People aiming for investment banking, asset management, lead consulting, hedge funds. Placement wise, outcomes are very strong. Around 92% of students receive offer within 6 months, and recruiters include Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, McKinsey, and Morgan Stanley. Now yes, the cost is high, roughly around 70 lakh including living. But Oxford is one of those brands where the name itself changes how recruiters look at you, and that matters in finance a lot. Now one more important thing. If you are coming from a non-finance background, Oxford will accept proof that you can handle quant heavy finance. That could be CFA, finance internship, strong GMAT, and math heavy coursework. Because this isn't a discover finance program. This is you already know finance, we are training you for elite finance. Now let's talk about Cambridge. Now Cambridge is very different. Cambridge's MPhil in finance is much more research heavy. This is for people who genuinely enjoy finance theory. Think derivatives, econometrics, advanced finance models, research and quantitative finance. The class size is tiny, usually around 25 students. A lot of graduates move into quant trading, research roles, PhDs, and high-level finance analytics. Even though work experience is not mandatory, having 1 to 2 years of experience definitely helps. So if your goal is I want to deeply understand finance and then move into quant heavy roles, Cambridge is incredible. But if your only goal is front office investment banking as fast as possible, HEC Paris or Oxford may fit better. Now let's talk about London Business School. This is where things get extremely interesting because LBS actually has two major finance programs. The first is the Masters in Finance. This is for experienced professionals. Average age is around 26, average experience 4 to 5 years. So this program is built for students already working in finance, consulting, banking, strategy, maybe even tech. Now there is Masters in Financial Analysis. That's the fresher friendly program. So if you're straight out of undergrad and have very little experience, MFA is the one you should look up to. Now what makes LBS special is not just its curriculum but also its location. You are literally in London. You're surrounded by investment banks, consulting firms, hedge funds, networking events, and finance professionals. At schools like LBS, opportunities don't just come from the classroom, it comes from experiences and conversations. Because the ecosystem matters a lot in finance, placement outcomes are excellent too. Most students land strong finance roles right after graduation, and recruiters are basically everyone you can expect: Deloitte, Goldman, Morgan Stanley, BlackRock, and big consulting firms. Also, small but very important detail, LBS respects CFA very heavily. So if you have cleared CFA level 1 or beyond, it genuinely strengthens your application. Hey, quick interruption before we continue the video. If you're still watching till this point, you're probably very serious about getting into a top school abroad. And just so you know, this is exactly what we help students with. We work with Indian students targeting top master's programs abroad, and unlike large agencies, we usually work with 120 students in total across all degrees every year, which basically means that for each degree, we only take a very small number of students every year. So the level of personalization is extremely high. We also pair students with mentors or consultants who have themselves studied at or graduated from top schools abroad in that specific field. So you're not just getting generic advice, advice. You are working with people who have actually been there and done that. If you want to explore working with us, there is a link in bio to book a free session. Alright, let's get back to the video. Now let's talk about HEC Paris, the investment banking factory. Now if your goal is I want front office investment banking in Europe, then you have to look at HEC, because HEC's master in international finance is genuinely very strong for finance placements. The program itself is very intense but very career focused. You choose tracks like corporate finance or corporate market, and almost everything is aligned towards high finance careers, and placement numbers are honestly insane. HEC reports near full employment for MIF graduates. Median salaries are reportedly around 100k plus euros, which is massive right after graduation. Now, admissions are very competitive. The average GMAT is 715. Strong GPA expected, strong quant expected. And if you're switching careers into finance, CFA helps big time, because HEC wants proof that you are serious about finance. Now let's talk about the newest interesting player here. INSEAD. Most people know INSEAD for its MBA, but their master in finance is becoming extremely interesting. And honestly, I think this program is going to become huge over the next few years. Why? Because the structure itself is global. You study across France and Singapore, and then you move into internships and finance opportunities globally. So this isn't just Euro finance education. This is global finance positioning. This program is designed for early career professionals and strong freshers with internships. Now, because the program is relatively new, we don't have decades of placement data like Oxford and HEC. But realistically, with INSEAD's network and alumni base and recruiter relationship, the upside is massive, especially for students who want careers across Europe, Asia, Middle East, and global financial markets. So, how do you actually get into these programs? Now, here's a reality check. These schools are competitive, like very, very competitive. Most successful applicants usually have a very strong GPA, high GMAT, GRE, financial internships, certifications like CFA, and a very strong career story. Top schools don't just want smart students, they want clarity. They want students who can explain why finance, why this school, what do you exactly want to do after graduation. And please don't say I'm passionate about finance. Every applicant says that. Talk specifics, markets you follow, companies you analyze, internships, projects, financial clubs, investment thesis. That's what makes applicants believable. So the biggest takeaway from this video is simple. Don't choose a school based on ranking. Choose based on your profile, your career goals, your experience level, and the kind of financial career you actually want. Because Oxford, Cambridge, HEC, INSEAD, LBS are amazing, but they are amazing for different reasons. If you start planning early, these programs can genuinely change your career trajectory. And honestly, that's why more and more Indian students are now betting on Europe for finance, because the combination of prestige, ROI, global opportunities, and visa stability is just very hard to ignore. So that was it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.